Hi, these are the trades that I make daily, and these should not be considered as a financial advice. Hi, this is the new Robinhood account I started. So I deposited $500 and currently I'm on a profit of $92. So let's check all the trades. So before that, I got a bonus $5, around $5 from Robinhood. So I bought Google share for $5.43 or $6.43. Now it became $6.95. So everything is come under profit. And let's go to the trades that I have done. So the account was started 4 days ago, and I have received a 0.047286 shares of Google. Uh, yeah, on November 7th, and I had some trades done on SPY, so it's like randomly did some trades, so you can neglect that one. So we'll go with the today's trade. So today I opened a Tesla long call calendar spread at $242 per share per spread. So you see call calendar spread $242, $215 strike price call that will expire on 18th November, and 215 call that expires on 2nd December. So I bought 215 call and sold 215 call that expires on November 18th, and for that I paid an amount of $242. Similarly, I bought something like put calendar spread opposite, like 170 strike price. So similar, like 18 November I sold it, and 2nd December I bought it. So I paid around $240, and let's see what it's currently the status. Okay, so the put calendar spread, it became $36 profit, and call calendar spread I am on a loss of $9. So I expect tomorrow to close both the trades, and I'll be on some profit. So yeah, so here right now it is showing $26 profit for today, and on a weekly basis it's $87 per week, and on a month it's $92. So actually the account starts on November 4th. Number 4th it started. In November 7th it started. Till November 4th it's okay, $500.